Tanesha Shorty Johnson aka Sidem lifestyle, relationship with Vybz Kartel, and net worth. Tanesha Shorty Johnson is widely known as the longtime partner and common-law wife of Jamaican dancehall icon Vybz Kartel. Their relationship has been in the public eye for years due to Kartel's fame and controversies. Despite challenges, Tanesha has built her own identity, balancing family life, business ventures, and music collaborations. Relationship with Vybz Kartel. Tanesha and Vybz Kartel, born Adidja Palmer, have had a long and complicated relationship spanning over 2 decades. The couple shares 3 sons, Jaheim Palmer, Akheel Palmer, and Adidja Palmer Jr. Their relationship has been marked by both affection and public drama, with Kartel often referencing her in his music. The couple's relationship was tested further after Kartel's incarceration in 2011 for murder charges. Despite his imprisonment, Tanesha has remained supportive, often seen managing family affairs and maintaining the connection between Kartel and his children. The dynamic between the two has been explored in Kartel's music, with songs like You Enuh and Shorty's dedicated to her, showcasing their complex love story. Lifestyle and public image. Tanesha Johnson maintains a relatively private life despite her association with a global dancehall star. She often stays out of the limelight, focusing on her children and personal growth. However, she gained more public attention through her collaboration with Vybz Kartel on the 2020 album To Tanesha, which delved into their relationship struggles and emotional experiences. Her lifestyle is a blend of modesty and luxury, reflecting her efforts to maintain stability while being connected to one of the most influential figures in dancehall. She is known for her dedication to her family and her resilience in the face of public scrutiny and personal challenges. Business ventures and music involvement. Beyond her role as Kartel's partner, Tanesha has pursued entrepreneurial efforts. She co-owns Short Boss Music, a music label established with Vybz Kartel, which focuses on releasing Kartel's music while he remains incarcerated. The label has been successful in keeping Kartel's music career active, releasing multiple projects, including the To Tanesha album. Her involvement in the music business has allowed her to create a name for herself beyond just being Vybz Kartel's partner. She has shown a keen interest in the dancehall industry, contributing to the label's operations and music promotion. Tanesha Johnson's net worth is estimated to be around $1 million as of 2024. Her wealth primarily comes from her association with Short Boss Music and Kartel's music royalties. The success of To Tanesha and other projects under the label has contributed significantly to her financial stability. While Kartel's continued popularity ensures income flow, Tanesha has also invested in her children's future and other business endeavors, ensuring financial security for her family despite the challenges they face. Legacy and influence. Tanesha Shorty Johnson's influence extends beyond her relationship with Vybz Kartel. As a mother, entrepreneur, and music executive, she has demonstrated strength and resilience. Her ability to maintain her household while navigating the complexities of being linked to a high-profile artist speaks volumes about her character. While she may be best known for her relationship with Kartel, Tanesha's involvement in the music industry and her entrepreneurial spirit continue to shape her legacy in the dancehall world. Her story is one of loyalty, growth, and perseverance, making her a figure of inspiration for many.